how are you all? I hope you guys are doing well and you all are safe. And hi, my name is Bhawna and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So for today's video, I'm going to try out some of the hairstyles that I saw on Pinterest and I just thought of doing it in this video. I'm that person who is not very good with this hairstyles and इसीलिए तुम लोग मेरे को हमेशा एक hairstyle में देखते हो and मैं try भी करती हूँ ना तो हो नहीं पाता है and I think वो इसलिए क्योंकि I'm not very interested in this thing, but still I just thought of doing a video क्योंकि इससे पहले I've already done another video. वो मेरी सबसे पहली YouTube video थी जिसमें मैंने हेयर स्टाइल का ही दिखाया था. So here is another video and I just hope तुम लोग के वीडियो पसंद आए. So now without any further ado, let's just get started. So just a quick update, I have got a very cool product from the Ayurveda Co. So TAC is basically India's first science-backed Ayurveda brand. So this is the TAC lip and cheek tints that include 4 different shades of tints that you can apply accordingly to your mood and occasion. And yes, let's just open the box. So it has a mirror over here and it also includes a mini brush, or you guys can use your fingertips to apply it on your lips and cheeks, giving you a natural glam and glow. And this includes this 4 different shades: hot pink pie, blueberry gaze, urban blush, mocha brown. Talking about the benefits, these are pocket-friendly tint minis, can be easily applied with mirror and mini brush. These are very easy to blend and long-lasting. Also, it's very light and moisturizing at the same time. It doesn't make your lips chappy. And the best part, it's 100% vegan and is suitable for all the skin types. This product from TAC is paraben SLS free, GMP certified and 100% Ayurvedic. You guys can use my code BHAVNAL30 and get 30% off at the ayurvedaco.com. So this was all for today's video. I hope you people found this video useful. If you did, please hit the thumbs up button, and I'm going to see you soon in my next video. Until then, stay safe, take care, bye bye.